Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in the 2000 MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management. And today's topic is basically we are covering chapter 1 to 3, module A. Okay, so let's start without wasting the time. Sure, we are having many questions today, so we'll have to be a bit fast in this. So you also answer it fast. Okay. Which of the following business approach for retail banking has the advantage of clear focus and business objective? Here, clear focus and business objective. So this is the main point in which of these approaches? SBU, departmental approach, integrated approach, and generalized approach. So what is the answer over here? Firstly, what is the SBU approach? I have explained you earlier. SBU means in this approach, the branch has to earn its own income and do the expenses from that income only. So your income of the branch should be greater than, logic over here is should be greater than the expenses. That's the simple logic of this SBU. Okay. Departmental means what? All these departments like clearing department. We are having this in many of our nationalized banks, right? Clearing, then what? Cash, any, you name it, you have it, 1000 departments in our bank. Integrated is used in the small banks. Always remember, small banks. Everyone has to do all the jobs. And generalized approach. So this is not the answer. Generalized is never an approach. So what is the correct answer? But which of the following business approach for retail banking has the advantage of clear focus and business objective? Obviously this A. Because business objective means what? Your income should be greater than the expense. That is known as business, isn't it? So that is the point. Okay. Got it, everyone? Move on. Highest denomination of the currency note issued by RBI is. So what is the highest denomination as per present situation? Presently RBI can issue note up to 100, 500, 1000. Let's say this 10,000. So now 1000 is gone. So now 2000, let's make it 2000. Okay. So 100, 500, 2000, 10,000. What is the correct answer? A, B, C or D? Everyone, fast. It is highest denomination. See here, lowest denomination. Okay, let me get it both. Lowest denomination by RBI. Okay, now this is a twisting question. Lowest by RBI. Which is the lowest denomination note given by RBI? Student, tell me. Type in the comment section. Many of you are typing 1, but it is 2 rupees. 2. Okay, because 2 rupees is given by RBI, 1 rupee is given by Government of India. 1 rupee note is always signed by the Finance Secretary, so Government of India. Okay, so what is the highest one then? Highest is 10,000. Maximum RBI can print a note up to rupees 10,000, but generally doesn't print. Now RBI doesn't want higher denomination notes only, so that's why it's taking back 2,000. So after a few years, I think so 500 will also be taken off, isn't it? Which of the following group of banks in India does not go for positioning objective? Does not, remember. Positioning is not their main objective. Their main objective over here is business. Rather, this group prefers business objective. So the objective of this group is basically business. Okay. So this group goes for only business objective. Which is that group? That is basically foreign, private, foreign, public, private and new private. Private and new private, what is this? Private and new private. New private means those who have been formed after Narsimham Committee 1, 1991. 1991, this committee gave the green signal for forming the new private banks, means like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. These were all formed in 1994. But a committee was formed in 1991. That is called as Narsimham Committee, one of the best committees which changed the entire banking space. There are 2 Narsimham committees, always remember. Okay, one is in 1991 and second one was in 1998, I think so. Yeah, that was also a good one. That gave some other recommendations. I mean, that gave basically this online banking. That actually brought it in nationalized banks. Okay, so coming back to this question, which of the banks don't prefer for this positioning objective but go for business objectives? It is foreign banks. Foreign banks are very clear in their business. If it's not business, they'll simply quit that business. Okay, they don't stay there. If you check, many of the foreign banks have quitted their retail banking business in India. Quitted. Citibank, HSBC, they don't have Stancy, they don't have any retail business now. They only deal in trade finance and this what corporate banking. Okay. Dash model provides functionality across the products with customer database orientation. The central customer database is used across the products. Now, what do you mean by this? Provides products with customer database orientation across the products. Okay, with customer database orientation, and the centralized database is used across the product, across various products. So, which model provides this? Across products means across saving, current, FD, home loan, everywhere. Same database is used. I've taken this model earlier also in my earlier lectures. Same time, same channel. Watch my earlier lectures. They are available in the past streams. Kindly watch them. I've taught there what is horizontally organized, what is vertically organized, what is PH, predominantly horizontal and predominantly vertical. So what is the answer? Excuse me. Yeah. It is vertically organized. In vertically organized, it's always 100% data sharing, 100%. Okay. And here it is 0%. In horizontally organized, we don't share the data across the products. Within the same product line, the data is shared. Okay. Everyone subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting the latest updates on JIB and CIB, number one, from IIBF. Whatever IIBF gives, they are explained on this channel, number one. Number two, the important point over here is you get free YTube series. Here, YouTube series, whatever you get, whatever is available. Right now, what are you watching? You're watching the free YouTube series, right? 2000 objective questions. So, similarly on other subjects also, you get it from other mentors. So, that's why follow it completely and thoroughly, religiously, I would say. Okay. So, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell icon, share it with your friends. Okay. Which of the following models is the standard norm in public sector banks? Now, standard norm. Which of the following models is the standard norm in public sector banks? Now, look at this. Horizontally organized, vertically organized, PH and PB. Standard norm in public sector banks. We always have what? We have product-wise departments. Have you seen this in our bank? In our public sector banks, we always have the product-wise, right? Product-wise means we always have this clearing department, then we have the cash department, all these things we have. So that's why we have horizontally organized. In public sector banks, its main course is horizontally organized. Now, many of you might say that, sir, we are having this vertically organized common database. But remember, you have to go as per your books. If you check your book, new book, RBWM, you will get the same answer, horizontally organized. Okay. Even though I know myself that nowadays public sector banks are no more like the earlier ones. Do you know earlier public sector banks was 363 principle, 363. Do you know what is 363 principle? It was give the deposit at 3%, get the loans at 6%, right? Loans at 6, so earn 3% and go home, reach home at 3% at 3 p.m. That was the earlier public sector banks. You check this 363 principle on Google, you'll get this. But now, is it this 3%? Is it this 6%? Is it this 3%? Nothing. Everything is gone. So even though I know, you know that public sector banks have changed, but in exam, you have to write as per the book. So the book says that horizontally organized model is a standard norm in public sector banks. So that's it. Okay. No more thinking on this part. Got it? The new private sector banks follow generally dash, which means common customer database information available. So common customer database, just now I gave you some example in earlier, before that question. Horizontally, vertically, PH, PV. So common customer database is in which model? It is in, correct, vertically. It is common customer database across all the products. Means home loan will have the same customer database, personal loan will have the same customer database, savings will have it, current will have it. So what happens? What is the advantage of this here? Same customer, one customer, everyone can target. Home loan guys can also target, personal loan guys can also target, saving guys can also target, right? Mutual fund can also target, insurance can also target. So it is a lot of cross selling over there. That is always an advantage. So that's why I always remember, follow this vertically organized model. All our banks need to follow this model only. Private banks, they are definitely following it. Okay. NRI means non-rural individual, non-rural immigrant, non-resident Indian, none of the Indian, none of the above. So it is what? Non, simple, isn't it? Non-resident Indian, NRI, non-resident Indian. There is a big definition for NRI, right? The retail banking suffers from which of the following constraints, disadvantages? Select the wrong one. So which is the wrong one? I think so. I have taken this earlier also. The problem in managing large number of individual customers. So that is a disadvantage. We have to select the wrong one. Huh? So this is disadvantage. Quick evaluation of products. That is again a disadvantage. Level of irregularity in these loans is very high. This is not a disadvantage. In retail banking, this is the wrong one. Because level of irregularity in this is always low. The answer is low over here. So this is not the disadvantage. This is my required answer. Wrong one. Okay. This I have taken already. So we'll move fast in this. The most common business approach for retail banking adopted by the banks are segmented, geography based, classification based, all of them. Let's see. So what is it? Segmented means what? Here again, yesterday's lecture, I have taken this again. Okay. Same time, same lecture. Segmented means what? Segmented means depending on the clientele, NRI client or Kisan client or businessman client, depending on that. Geography based approach means Maharashtra branch, Pune branch, Mumbai branch, that is geography based. Classification based approach means this is rural branch, then semi-urban branch, urban branch, all these. Okay. So it can be any of these. Here, answer is A to C all. Depending on the bank. Private banks generally follow this segmented and classification combined. Private banks always follow A plus C. Private banks means private. I'll write it over here. Private follow A plus C. Generally they follow main is A, but then C is also there. PAN means a 10-digit alphanumeric number. Then fifth alphabet is related to your name. Permanent account number and none of the above. Oh, I think so. It should be all of the above, not none of the above, isn't it? All of the above. So what do you think? 10-digit alphanumeric, fifth alphabet is related to your number. You just check it, everyone. Check your PAN number right now. And whatever is the fifth alphabet, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this fifth one, this one. Check this alphabet. Your first letter of your surname, or those who don't have surname, some main names, many in South India we don't have surname many a times. So this is related to your name, first letter of your name. Okay, and then there are numbers over here, 4, and then again alphabet, right? Alphabet over here, A, alphabet over here, right? So this is known as alphanumeric. Okay, alphanumeric, 10 digit. Done. So it is all of the above. That is the answer. Bank adopts different models for implementing the retail banking business. The common strategy for this include which of the following? So the different models means horizontal, vertical, PHPV. What are these based on? End-to-end outsourcing, predominant outsourcing, partial outsourcing, and in-house. So it is what? It is all A to D, because depending on the bank's choice, the model is decided. If some bank wants to go for in-house only, then it won't go for vertical model then. It will go for horizontal model. If somebody wants to go for end-to-end outsourcing, it will go for vertical model, right? Everyone, this download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, test, everything. So download it fast. Whatever you need for clearing your exams, you'll get it over here. Means what do you need basically? What do you need? Classes, books, tests, everything is there. And online everything. Now is the world of online, no physical books. Okay. So download it fast because exams are near, isn't it? This bank provides loan for home, car, education, all of the above. Now this is quite simple. Bank provides loan for what? All of the above, isn't it? Bank provides loan for everything. The adoption of sourcing model for retail banking business by the bank depends upon which of the following factors. So which are the factors which relate the sourcing model? Sourcing model means all that segmented approach and other approaches. Okay. So product range, process requirement, technology preparedness, delivery capabilities, and regulatory prescriptions. I think it's everything, isn't it? All of them. A to E all. Because after all, everything is important over here. Product range, process, technology, delivery capability, regulatory means what? RBI. What does RBI say? That is known as regulations, compliance. Okay. So this is A to E all. Which currency note has a security thread? Oh, which? 50, 100, 500 or all of the above? What is it? It is? How many of you can give this answer? Let me see. The answer is correct. All of the above. Now let me ask you, which currency does not have the security thread? Does not. Rupee 1. Rupee 1 does not have the security thread. Okay. From rupee 2 you have all the security threads. Okay. As per the study, banks adopt the following models based on the technology and customer capabilities. So horizontally, then vertically, PH, PV, and the last one is centrally organized. This one, E. E is different. Now remaining earlier ones we have studied. Horizontally organized, then PH, vertically organized, PV. So answer is what? A to E all or A to D only. That is the only option. These two are out. Okay. D is out, C is out. A or B only. So the answer is B. There is nothing called a centrally organized model based on. Now look at that. There is a model called a centrally organized, but not as per the technology and customer interface. For that, it is only horizontal, vertical, this PH and PV, right? Gold and silver ornament should be kept in bank lockers. Why? Because it is safe, no risk of theft. Obvious, isn't it? Quite common answer. What do you say? Safe, no risk of theft, both A and B. What do you say? It is both A and B. Safe also, no risk of theft. No risk of theft means what? There is less risk of theft. Now there can be a theft in bank also, quite obvious. But there you have at least the insurance. If something goes wrong, you can definitely get the insurance over here, right? Currency notes are issued by RBI, NABARD, public sector and central bank. Now who knows this? Currency notes are issued by whom? Central government or RBI or NABARD, public sector banks. So here, all of you might be knowing public sector is out because that can't issue. NABARD is also a separate bank actually. It can't issue. Only RBI or central government. So the answer is RBI. Only rupee 1 note is given by central government. That's it. Remaining all notes are given by RBI. So now before going, let me tell you, join the Sankalpa batch immediately. All the numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. All the 4 subjects are covered. Importantly, if you don't have time, you can join the recorded sessions batch also or the video courses batch also. Remember this. In video courses batch also, complete portion is covered. You get ebooks also there, tests also there. You can join the Mahapack also, 2.2. In Mahapack, you get multiple batches per subject. Not only multiple batches, you get ebooks, tests, again, ebooks, video courses, tests, then mini and Maha marathon, practice papers, doubt sessions. You get everything. So, join it ASAP. And how to join this? Let me show you. Go to Adda 24/7. Okay, let me take you to Adda 24/7. I would always suggest you to go through the app. In the app, what happens? You get coin systems. Using these coin systems, you'll get roughly 1% additional discount. Okay, so go through the app. So go to Adda 24/7 as I've shown you over here. Click on JAIIB and CIB. Look at this. Click on JAIIB and CIB. Then click on JAIIB October 23. Then see this. Now this is a Sankalpa batch. Click on this Sankalpa batch. You'll see all the four subjects. Okay, all are covered. 300 hours of online live classes, 180 test series, 181 ebooks. So click on any one of these. Look at this test series. Now you'll see this topic wise test series are there for AFM, RBWM, IFS, then this retail banking again, PPB, all these. Now click on all these again, anyone. So you'll again get this topic test, with chapter wise you are getting this test over here. Similarly for ebooks also. Click on this ebook. You'll see the ebooks of all the four subjects. Now click on this even any of this subject again. You'll see chapter wise ebooks. Okay. So that's why it is in depth over here. Similarly online classes also. I would always suggest you to join fast because the exams not even 1 month is left. Look at the fees also. 80% off is going on. Prep 80 code. It's already applied. Fees is 3999.80. Click on buy now. You'll pay 19,999 is reduced to 3999.80. 80% off over here. Okay. Click on continue. Fill in your details and done. Even I would suggest go through the Mahapack. Means join the Mahapack. In Mahapack, what you get? You get multiple batches plus other many other things. Means let me show you. Say this over here. Click on JIB and CIB again. Okay. Now click on JIB CIB Mahapack over here. In this Mahapack, look at this JIB CIB Mahapack, JIB Mahapack. You can join any of these. If you join JIB CIB Mahapack, the same Mahapack you can use it for CIB also. And right now the validity is going on and discount offer is going on. Look at this double validity offer is going on. Say this prep 80 code is already applied over here. You're getting double validity. Double validity means here it is for 6 plus 6 months and 12 plus 12 months. Actually, it is for 6 months only. But under this offer, you are getting it for 6 plus 6, 12 months. So this will be useful for JIB and CIB as well. Okay. Now look at the fees also. 8186 for 6 plus 6 months. And if you get it for 12 months or 24 months now, you'll have it 11577. So 80% off and double dhamaka, double promotion, double validity, right? Go for it immediately because this is the most useful thing for you in life. Okay. Once you clear JIB, in how many months will you recover these funds? You won't require even 8 to 10 months. Again, after that, everything is yours. Okay. So that's why I'll be back tomorrow with